All right, the patch tool. The patch tool. But I like the patch tool very, very much because it's a tool in Photoshop that's very powerful for retouching and repairing areas of an image. So let me give you some secret about the patch tool that most beginners do not know. So let's let the patch tool. Let's say you can see the image, there's a text in front of the forehead. You can use the patch tool to retouch it or to clean it up nicely. So what you do is that you drag or to remove the M from the image. So you make a selection of it, the M, then you drag to any area that matches with the forehead, then leave it there. You have that to remove it from there for you. Let me do the same thing with the E. Then drag it to any image or any area of the image that is closer to the skin color there. Then leave it there to just remove it for you. So let me also clean the O and the R. So you select it this way. Then you find an area that is close to where you remove it. That's the color. Then you leave it. You realize that you're removing all the images from there. So let's remove this last one, the L. Great. So you can use the patch tool to do this, to remove any error. If there's a pimples or there is a pinch or something on the image, the face of the image that you don't like, I use the patch tool to do the correction. All right. So the patch tool is being used to remove the text on the face of this particular image. Well done.